Star witness in the trial of Tesha Miller says the JUTC Chairman's killing was a contract hit.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On day 2 of the trial of Tesha Miller, the chief prosecution witness says the then chairman of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, Douglas Chambers, was killed on a contract. Tesha Miller is on trial for being an accessory to murder before and after the fact. The witness also told the court that Tesha Miller revealed the identity of Mr. Chambers' killer to the rest of the men. The witness continued his evidence before Justice Georgiana Fraser in the Supreme Court on Thursday, November 14th. The prosecution's main witness had already told the court that Tesha Miller gave the order to kill Mr. Chambers. He said he was present at a meeting when the order was given. The witness says he was also present on the day Chambers was killed because he was among a group of men charged with creating a diversion. According to the witness, on the day of the killing, he was standing across the street at a stall when a car pulled up and parked at the entrance of the JUTC depot. The witness says sometime after, Mr. Chambers walked to the gate smoking a cigarette. He says shortly after, a wooded figure exited the car and opened fire on Mr. Chambers. The witness says Mr. Chambers fell to the ground. Then another person he knew came out of the car and continued shooting Mr. Chambers while he was on the ground. The witness says as the men in the car made their escape, he and the diversion group started shooting. When the witness was asked by the prosecution why Chambers was killed, he replied, quote, "It was a contract," end quote. Miller's attorney, Bert Samuels, objected to this. Mr. Samuels said the witness had answered a question that was not asked. But when the witness was asked by presiding judge Georgiana Fraser if Miller told him the killing was a contract, the witness said yes. Meanwhile, the witness says he knew the wooded figure who first shot Mr. Chambers was Andre Bryan because Miller told him so. The witness says Miller made a revelation when they met face-to-face the following day. Mr. Samuels also raised objection to this. The attorney said the witness naming Miller would be hearsay by both the witness and Miller, since his client wasn't present at the shooting. But the statement was allowed by the judge. The witness went on to tell the court that Miller arranged for Bryan to be put on a boat to the Cayman Islands after the assassination. The trial of Miller will resume on Friday the 15th of November at 10 a.m.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.